Hello friends, and in this video I will show you how you can download a free copy of I.D.M.A.S for your office. All you need to do is you need to open up any browser. I am using Edge, Microsoft Edge, so I'm using that. You can use Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, whichever you have on your system. Go to ANATYX, ANATYX.com. Once you go to ANATYX.com, let the page load, and here you will see a button which says download I.D.M.A.S. Click on download I.D.M.A.S and it will take you to the location where the download is available. You see something which says download. Click on the button which says download. Once you click on the button, it will pop up a message showing the terms and conditions, so go ahead with the download. You need to check this box. It says I agree to ANATYX privacy policy, and then you click on the button which says download. Once you click on the button which says download, the free version of I.D.M.A.S gets downloaded on your system. It is here right now. I see it over here. Once you have downloaded this file, you need to open this file and extract it. So this is how you download a copy of I.D.M.A.S on your system.